weak or narrow AI. Weak or narrow AI only can do one specific task, like movie recommendation in Netflix. And there's also called strong original AI, which has ability to think and learn like human. And how about our friend opinion?
That's right. And I have different level and always growing. Everybody in the world competing to create more advanced AI.
Okay, now let's discuss examples of AI that we often encounter in entertainment and social media. Can Sarah explain that for us?
You just must upload filter on Instagram or TikTok, right? Well, this one is example of AI. AI can recognize our face and add funny effect. Decided AI was like to comment on YouTube or Spotify. So AI like having the same as use and finding song or video that we like. AI also has important role in education and health. You know, in education, there are apps or websites that use AI to help us learn. For example, doing problems or finding information. In life, AI can help doctor diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. There are many robots that are used for surgery.
Now, this is important. AI is cool, but we also have to think about its impact. One issue that is often discussed is ethics. AI can be based depending on the data used to train it. For example, there is AI that is used to further job application, but it turns out to discriminate against certain people. In addition, AI can also cause many jobs to be lost because they are replaced by machines.
Okay guys, that was our conversation about AI. The point is AI is not just a sophisticated technology but also has a big impact on our life. We have to be smart about using AI but also be aware of the
Hopefully, this podcast can help your knowledge about AI. And don't forget to keep learning and updating about artificial intelligence or AI. Okay, and see you.